Hi everybody and welcome. Today I had the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the equalizer preset in your application. So as you can see, now we are in the JBL PartyBox application and in our main menu of our speaker. Here we have to scroll down till we see Equalizer. Here, as you can see, we have Equalizer, JBL Signature, Chill, Vocal, Movie, and we can switch between these all presets using just a sliding and a single tap. Here we have the custom one, but if you want to set your custom preset and you don't know how, you can check our channel because we have a video for that. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!